Hey guys, part two of these butt connectors, and I was telling you about the self-soldering, heat shrinkable butt connectors. Well, we'll make it a little bit easier. I thought about it. If y'all wondering, like I said, I'm working on an over 20-year-old truck. Things like this happen. You'll see that little piece of, kind of hard to see, but you got that little piece of insulation coming off the wire. It's over 20 years old. It is what it is. Eventually, you're gonna have to fix it because the rest will start doing it. But short out, your vehicle stops running. It's the way it is. It does not matter if it's Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Toyota. It could be a Chevette or a Pinto. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to show you how these things really work. I can actually give you a better review, better view this time. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to sacrifice one. Cut myself off a little piece of wire. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's a little discolored. This is normal. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Normally it's a hot wire. So you have to do this. Go by a hardware store, a couple bucks. You can pick up a big Brillo pad, one big sheet of it. I bought one big one, made some squares out of it, clean it off. This is it. That's all you got to do. Get that good copper color coming through. And my dumb dog has escaped again. Now I got good copper color. Take this, slide it right over top of the wire. Just like that. Got a piece of scrap wire. Cut the end of it off. You can either twist it around like I like to do. Some people probably like to you can lay it in there side by side, but I just like to twist them around and slide the butt connector back over top of it. Just like that. So now, what I'm going to take my torch. The torch heat up. And as you're heating it up, you'll watch the solder start coming through. That solder will start soaking through the wires, and that is what you want. Get all the way around if you can. You'll watch that little low temperature tin or lead, whatever you want to call it, shrink up. That's what you want. Do the ends. That's it. I don't know how well you can see this. Now, it's already changed color. It's already cooled down some. Like I said, I can hold it now. Still a little warm. It's actually stronger. Once it fully cools down, it's actually stronger than mechanical splice. Ain't bad for a $20 kit of 200. That's it.